NASA's most recent wanderer, it showed up on the red planet in February. On September 1st, it bored into a level stone nicknamed Rochette. That permitted the wanderer to fill a generally finger-sized tube with stone. This example is the very first planned to be brought to Earth for study. On September 8th, the meanderer caught a second example from a similar stone. Both are presently put away in impenetrable cylinders inside the wanderer. The wanderer should get 2 examples from each rocket drills. This is a tad of an insurance contract, makes sense of Katie Stack Morgan. It implies the meanderer can drop indistinguishable arrangements of tests in 2 better places on Mars. That helps the possibilities that a future mission will actually want to recover no less than 1 set. Stack Morgan is the delegate project researcher for the Perseverance mission. She works at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena, Calif. The effective boring is a rebound story for Perseverance, the meanderer's most memorable endeavor to take a touch of Mars fizzle. The example disintegrated to tidy, leaving an unfilled cylinder. Researchers feel that rock was excessively delicate to endure the drill. Rochette is a hard rock. It seems, by all accounts, to be less seriously disintegrated by centuries of Martian climate than are different rocks. Meanderer estimations of its surface in science propose the stone is made of basalt. This is a sort that structures when magma cools. So Rochette might have once been important for an old magma stream. Researchers should show restraint to examine the recently gathered rocks. The earliest any examples could come to Earth is 2031. Yet, it's as yet a notable achievement, says Meenakshi Wada. She's a planetary researcher at Arizona State University. That is in Tempe. These address the start of Mars test return, Wada said at the news preparation. I've longed for having tests back from Mars to examine in my lab since I was an alumni understudy. We've discussed Mars test return for a really long time. Presently it's beginning to really feel genuine.